PIA to add 5 new aircraft to its fleet in 2020. Pakistan International Airlines (PIA) is going to add 5 new airplanes to its fleet under the new aviation policy. The Federal Minister for Aviation, Ghulam Sarwar Khan, said this during a press interaction on Sunday. Speaking to media ahead of the inaugural ceremony of Pakistan Meteorological Department's PMD, Media and its Center and the Weather Helpline 1315, he said that the addition of new planes will further improve PIA's flight operations and profitability. During his brief session, the minister revealed that the new agreements with international airlines have been lined up, including Lufthansa Air, Azerbaijan Airline, Air France and the airlines of Gulf states to increase flights in Pakistan. Commenting on climate change, Sarwar Khan chided that Pakistan Meteorological Department is playing an important role to control global warming and many other relevant issues. It is worth mentioning that the national flag carrier added 2 Airbus aircraft, APBM-X and APBM-Y, in November and December last year. The fleet expansion is part of PIA's 5-year business plan which aims to fully revive the state organization. According to the now axed CEO of the airline, Air Marshal (RETD) Arshad Malik, the airline aims to add a total of 12 new planes to its fleet by 2023. This will take the PIA's fleet up to 45.